So you wanted to say something. You wanted to ask me something actually.
Why did you...
Oh, why did I call you? Oh,
Yeah.
but I gave you the reason.
Yeah, you gave me the reason.
So it makes sense, is it?
So people need to know what's happening generally.
Around what?
Around what? Around...
Industry, it's what?
Yeah, a lot of industries.
How's the industry, Maria?
Which one?
Yours. Which industry are you in? Industry.
It's a very nice industry. What deeper?
I wish I was there also.
Why?
No,
No, it's not easy at all. It's very hard.
I will get to it. Let's just get to you guys. But now I know when you finish as true, I mean, not orange to do you think you're popular? In Venda, maybe.
People say I am, but I don't think I am.
So that's why there's going to be more views for such things. Because what Oh, also, there doesn't come back. Remember when we gave you like an episode, and then she came, and then the audio was kind of like corrupted. And then you guys, you still watch that video. I think it's number 3 on the most watched videos.
So there was no sound at all.
Sound was there,
but
it's sound
it's not
as sound your mic,
yeah.
the sound your phone, but then people still made a way. And then now you want retention, you're able to see no home to what on average 30 minutes.
Oh, no subtitles, anything.
Nah.
Don't you think you should include them at some point though?
You can just speak English.
Nah. Because I hardly speak Venda, so...
Really? You don't speak Venda that much?
No, not
I thought you did, eh? Okay, I've
No,
never heard you
really.
speak, but first of all, I'm Sophie, lady Chanim, the guy, no one is honey, Dr. Rubuza, the in anyone kit, I don't know you, right?
Yeah, you don't know me.
Let's start here.
I don't know how I got here, honestly.
Nah, it's easy, man. You did something good. Nah, you just did something good for the
like
internet.
What?
And then that's what people do. People do good in life or in their lives, and then black out you have a notice, you have a vid. That's what we do.
I love that.
You're doing good. I'm sure I'm
I love that answer.
I'm baby. I know what's going on. But then, anyways. Before we go anywhere, we're coming at you live from Panda Studios. Why all the things are podcasting. Now they're growing. So now space. So do come and book. Meet us it's podcast, it's live into video streaming, and if you want to contact them, you can contact them on 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com. This episode is brought to you by Mpho Nephawe, funerals and insurance. And if you want to know anything, funeral planners, you know, anything can happen. Do you ever feel like in a lost? Anyways,
that's a very weird question. Okay,
is it?
But, yeah.
But then anyone can die.
Like doing what?
Imagine as an engineer, I myself, that's
much more riskier that side than this side.
Oh, can safe?
Yes, you can just
yeah, it's safer that
follow
side,
precautions.
Guys. So if we're ready to go shoot at the side, I mean, anything can happen. Besides what we're wrong at it's life, man. Accident is at when you be accident, so if you want to know more about their funeral plans, contact them also 015-151-0252 0252 and visit www.mr21.co.za. And then now back to you. I'll be in the website now. So in as phone is the website. So I'm sitting with you, Mpho Nephawe.
Yes.
I think I could do so because I don't know when I in my head. I don't know if I know a Mpho Nephawe from elsewhere. But
there's probably one, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, but definitely not my ex. I don't do that.
Probably.
Nah, definitely not. Trust me. Eh? So, like, who's Mpho Nephawe?
In short, what I can say is Mpho Nephawe is just OnlyFans content creator. In general, that's how I put myself for now. And
For now, there's more coming.
Generally. I'm a very simple person. I don't like doing a lot of things. I like staying indoors. My life is pretty much simple, generally. Thank you. That's a lot.
Yeah, Zamore.
Okay.
Panda Studios will supply with anything, guys. You know, when you thought they finish towards podcasting, so just come here. And then no, the way reading away, you know. So yeah. You still telling me about yourself.
Yeah, back to that. Well, I'm more of an indoor person, and I've realized that. Like really?
Yeah, you're an indoor person.
You can still do it outside.
Really?
Other people do it outside.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm a subscribe, man. Actually,
are you not a subscriber already? Wow,
I don't know. You don't need
like
download and it.
There's
How
no
much is it per
downloading.
month?
You just go to the website. There's a $5 and there's 20.
You're doing dollars.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then besides OnlyFans, you can continue, man, with what you are. It's so interesting, you know.
So I've realized that I'm more of I love music so much, and I'm willing to learn a lot more about it.
Yeah.
So in the meantime, I'd like to call myself a person that's learning how to DJ. I don't know how far I want to go with that.
Yeah.
But I felt like I would really enjoy it at the end of the day.
Let's do a duo. Like the Capable Boys, TXC, don't worry, Kingsley, Mpho.
How good are we going to be on that? You must be really good to do
I'm
something
good, man.
like
I
that.
do, Afrotech. It's a Bushimza.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to do it.
That's hectic. I know a few people that do it, and
they're not good, see?
they're just okay.
I'll send you my work.
Okay.
Yeah, then we'll take it from
listen.
there.
No
Work, yeah, you have DJ.
Not the other work.
Yeah, I do have some other work, Mara. I can't give you that. Yes,
I feel like everyone does that, hey? Just
No,
that it's
not everyone.
I think, honestly, everyone does.
I think now I'm tempted to want to go through your photos.
What
Just
photos?
the first slide. Like, what's in your photos?
My gallery.
Let's just unlock and go to photos. It's not like what other one. Maginya, so that was zoom. You know, when I'm zoom.
Okay, I've been deleting a lot of stuff lately, but
photos.
it's just videos for Instagram for now. But scrolling
What's this? What's the
is
pin?
not an option.
Should I click and see?
No, it's just a screenshot of
Who's
bullshit.
that?
Can I swear here, actually?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want. This is you now. Yeah.
Alright, so you see my gallery is very clear. It's not like I do what I do.
Oh, that's not clear.
What?
It's
very clean.
It's clean. This is clean too. Oh yeah, this is clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nothing major.
Yeah.
Man. And then you have $1 also on your phone. You don't look at one as in. You guys are living life. You know, this is how you get paid anyway.
It's just $1.
But then why the industry, man? Your OnlyFans. How did you get to it?
That's a very long, short story.
Yeah.
It started with what? Just after COVID, actually broke as hell.
Oh,
and I had a friend of mine. I don't know if I should give him a shout out.
Yeah, let's give him a shout out.
Not now. I'll do it later.
Yeah.
So we used to like take pictures, everything else like that. And I was like, okay, I've seen that you've been modeling for me and everything. But I feel like you have potential to do certain things and you could be making money out of it. Since you're saying you're kind of struggling right now with financial stuff. Like, okay, let's see, what are you talking about? It's like, no, there's these people that do, WhatsApp content, blah, blah, blah. WhatsApp content, what's happening on WhatsApp content?
I didn't know about that also, yeah.
Yes. So it's just people selling pictures of generally bums and whatever the guys want to see. But
now you can name everything. This podcast is for everyone, man. That's why there's an 18 plus somewhere.
But I feel like most people are not way too explicit with it because that consciousness of what will people think if they see me receiving certain things.
Yeah.
And you're not so safe on my phone at the end of the day. If someone decides to steal my phone or hack it or something, they find that type of information. So it's hard for them to request for, let me say, a video of me generally masturbating or whatever. But that's how it all started, getting back to that. And it was doing really well, the WhatsApp content thingy. I could pay my rent, I could buy myself food, I could send my mother some money if she needed it or whatever. So just continued as, I'm just going to model this and let's see where it goes. And then I got to know about OnlyFans through the same person again. Okay, they have a naked vision studio thingy that's going on. So they take videos and pictures generally. Time went on, started the OnlyFans, but I was very skeptical about it because you're working with something you don't even know.
Yeah.
Dollars, foreigners, all
I
that.
thought you meant like your body, not the
I
cheddar.
know. At that point, I don't think I really cared about that
The
part
body.
because there were pictures already
like
going
the
just
pictures
around.
of you.
Generally,
Never seen them, man.
I felt like, should I say you're lying?
Yeah, you can say however you feel. Now I'll tell you my truth,
Okay.
and then you'll give me whatever.
So your
you...
truth is yours.
Yeah.
And yours only. Okay, I feel like a lot of people have seen them, even though they just don't.
I'll
play
only start
it.
seeing them today. Yeah, I think right here
Who's gonna show you?
with everyone.
Who's gonna show you?
Oh, did you tell me that subscriber? On the one.
Depends what
Oh.
type of pictures you want to see.
I see the ones on Facebook,
Yeah,
Instagram.
It's just pictures.
Yeah, those
And
are
then
not
as
just
time
pictures.
went on, I used to post, let me say, explicit stuff on Twitter. But according to how we market everything else, it didn't make sense to just take it out there without anyone paying for it. So if you want to see something, rather pay for it.
Yeah, true.
So the simplest way is subscribe.
And then how did you get from this quiet girl? Because apparently you were a quiet girl in high school. And
Who
then
said that?
People say that. What about Jen and I? Because I remember when I call someone, I know, okay, I'm trying to call that
This
man.
person, yeah.
So,
honestly,
you're
I'm
this
still
quiet.
a quiet person. Just social media.
Your work does the talking.
Yeah, I feel like people have a certain people have a certain perspective of me, and when they get to like sit down and have a conversation, they realize, okay, social media, Mpho is not. Let me say, Venda Melanin and Mpho are two different people, different brands.
And then you join OnlyFans now. You're in there, like you're trying to make money. What was your first post like?
My first post was like generally just a video of me caressing myself, touching.
What's crazy? No, I'm trying to let. I don't go this on this there because I'm dumb in this industry of yours now.
For me, how do I explain it? Okay, I'm gonna explain it in a sexual way.
Yeah, it has to be.
Me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we do a lot of things. Why am I so shy to talk about this? Okay, it's basically.
Wait, is it that thing or when you're trying to because also the first girl that came, I mean, I could take me with that, but then it is with you, Nyana. And I found out that because they can't Zoom. Panda Studios.
It depends on your personality at the end of the day. Yeah.
Yeah, so you're still trying to say.
I was touching myself, yes, doing all that. Example given, whatever that I'm doing right now. And yeah, I feel like that's how far it went until people requested for, let's say, masturbation videos. Please show me your butt or butthole, show me your vagina. I want to see you doing this with, those certain requests.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then after pressing send, and I mean, just really like, yeah, this is it. I've started now.
Yeah, generally.
And there was never going back from there.
I think you can still go back depending on how mentally stable you are or strong. Because it's all here.
Yeah. And then also you post that thing what more request, and I mean, like, how do you get followings? Like what was you have to go out there and market yourself. And how do you do that also?
Going out there is basically social media. And when I started, it was more of a Twitter situation. But
apparently it goes down there also.
Yeah,
on Twitter.
that's like another porn site.
Yeah.
So as time went on, we decided, okay, Twitter is way too explicit, as I said before, and we can't keep posting explicit stuff that much. So we need to post and try attract people with different content. So we migrated to Instagram and generally TikTok.
Not TikTok was your
No, you don't post the explicit stuff, but
'cause it's about
TikTok
us,
can
I block
lead.
in, isn't it?
Your blocks a lot.
Yeah, they don't play there. They're all
Like
about
people lose their accounts on that platform.
Oh.
So I just decided I'm gonna post whatever and then post my Instagram handle. At least Instagram is not that bad when it comes to things like that.
And then after all these things, or join and then people now wanna have requests or remonetization. So that's what we affect like your creativity, because when you go there you're like, this is what I'm gonna be doing. Then so
Yeah.
and then I wanna see the butthole.
I've always told people that subscribe or people that, ask me, why are you not creating this type of content? Because I asked you for this. And I'm like, it actually takes a lot of mentality to create something like this. Some people do it drunk, some people do it sober, and some people probably smoke weed or whatever they want to take, to get in the mood of doing that. But for me, I felt like I need to just tune in at some point. I'm like, oof, okay, I feel like doing this. Let me have a glass of wine and I'll just...
So all it takes is wine,
open.
right?
Not really.
Wait, why eat in Kabazan? Actually, people have been saying with wine, apparently something happens with them. So what does it actually do to you? Maybe they were open, but whatever number was the...
To me, I felt like it opens me up more.
It does what?
It opens it. I get more open than...
it opens everything.
Not everything. Because I could have a glass of wine with someone right now and I don't really like them. Wine wouldn't do anything to me.
That's a glass of wine, Daddy.
That's like a cup of wine.
Oh yeah, a cup of wine, a jar even your daddy
it's said like a jar. This could send me to...
And also my
Crazy
genius
land.
there. If you like him, you can open up now. Think of it, she that. My mother could run, I am 2 hours. Yeah.
Oh wow. So,
Then yes, you are still trying to say, but what comes it is so Mara, you know what you do, you need to do this.
So I take my time with creating certain things because generally I'm not... I won't say I'm not that freaky, but I'm kind of freaky. But it takes me to be at a certain extent to do certain things. Yeah. So.
And then with those subscribers of yours, I get them. I have my subscribers. Most of them are the kind of, yo, man, you're doing your work so well. So you are the best. So with your subscribers, what do they praise the most? Or
I don't think I've met people that actually go directly, because there's people that I see generally when I go to Groove or anything else like that. And they're like, no, I'm just a big fan. I like your work. And I can't even ask them, my work, what do you mean? I don't ask those questions.
But then you only have one work at the moment.
Okay. So far, yeah.
And then our name about come and I can to phone or online. They like, don't they tell you, yeah, I think when you do this is where you are goated.
Generally, that's how OnlyFans really works, because you can't send someone something they don't really like, because we try to sell different content out there to them. There's a person that likes, let me just say, you in a lingerie just sitting there talking to them or whatever, and there's people that want to see content of you doing sex videos or everything else like that. So yeah.
So if they request for sex videos, what do you do then?
I have people that I do content with.
Oh, there's guys that are always on the thing, speed dial.
Do I say speed dial, but they're available?
Yeah, remember if Mutari, I want you at 12, you're ready. $5 and get ready.
Honestly, I feel like
so cool. $5 took. Can call make a request also.
Yeah, it's very small. Yeah. There's more that's being charged for videos like that, because I take time. There's a person that needs to be there to shoot me if I'm not shooting alone with the guy, and we have to book a place, because I'm not shooting that at my place with another guy.
Why not?
I still have boundaries.
Really?
Yeah.
You must still have boundaries when you are doing that. What boundaries are there? What are the That's all.
Yeah, I love my personal space. So I don't want I took a video with this person here, and this is what we were doing. That's
Oh,
for
so you
someone
think
else.
about those people afterwards, or the moments?
The cleaning again, there's oil, there's everything. So it's
There's-
all my work.
So
after,
you use everything, kind of.
kind of. Yeah.
Yeah.
We
And
use
then
a
these
lot
guys,
of
whenever like Nimtumtikana, you always have anyone you can just call or gents.
I
Like they
actually
always wish you.
prefer, I actually
Really.
I actually prefer certain people because they don't give me problems, and OnlyFans has a lot of rules going around.
Oh yeah.
So it's much harder to like just call someone and say I don't do that.
How do you decide on that? Nothing comes in about interested. Industries are different, man. Because you can just call me and okay, OnlyFans $1,000 or so.
Yeah.
Do you wanna join? Don't pay, say $5,000. Then I'll come.
You basically sign
Like
forms.
to your place.
Like I'm cutting you off because you're still gonna ask a lot.
Yeah.
So there's like lease forms and everything else that go on OnlyFans. I can't post you if I don't have an agreement with you at the end of the day. So I feel like they see, because with the identity and everything else that they capture, they can still tell that this person is not the person that's tagged on this video.
Oh.
And most people don't have OnlyFans if you're shooting with them. And if it's a person that has OnlyFans, which I don't prefer lately because of the drama that goes around with,
What's the drama?
it's annoying.
What's happening? You fight over royalties, maybe. Or
Not even.
now those was the Indonesia, all those things. Yeah.
Because I feel like most people have that thing of, if I'm shooting with you, I'm going to post certain content and it must stop at a certain level. We charge different prices for our content at the end of the day. And imagine I'm charging more and you're charging less. It means we are not on the same par generally. You're going to be making probably less and I'll be making more at the end of the day. And sometimes you might find that we share the same subscribers and now you're messing up my business.
Oh,
Because
okay.
they won't buy from me. They're going to go buy from you. Seeing the prices. And after that money issue, there's generally, you can shoot content with someone and they decide, I don't want to be in this industry anymore.
Oh.
What happens then?
So they need the video to be taken down.
Yeah.
Would you do that? Mtoto tenda. Oh.
We've had that situation.
Or almost they are
Where-
mad, I'm trying.
No, not married at all.
You just wanted out.
They just decided, okay, I don't want to do this anymore. I want to change my life. Okay, so you want to go to church and everything else like that. What do we do right now? Do I delete your content or just keep it and sell it? At the end of the day, it's unfair for me to delete that because we spend so much time. We invited people to come, bring lights and everything
There's
else
money
like
involved,
that. There's
yeah.
money involved. We booked and you decide you don't want to do it anymore. What if I didn't even make half of what I actually took from that?
Yeah. Your English is so good, man. It was in English. I'm like OnlyFans. Because apparently there's like more white people there than like black people. Because you know, with black people like me, and then they go, "Hey, did you want to OnlyFans? How?
Oh yeah, the stereotypes and all that.
Yeah, that English.
It
man.
depends. Ngori no subscriber but baba in South Africa, but at the end of the day, 12 languages and all that.
Yeah.
We still need to use English.
Wait, 12 language? You mean also now what sign language? What with the subscriber?
No, but South Africa.
Oh,
So let's
tip on the
just-
11 and then 12 in the.
It's, yeah.
Now what with the subscriber?
Yeah.
And then how do you know
Obviously
when was
they
written
do.
mini?
Yeah.
Or can I zero question hey, itani
Everyone does.
or they type.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's just typing.
Yeah.
And then there's those that request for like videos where you communicate with them or tell them something, whatever. Use English.
Do you actually see them, those people? When you do
No.
a video, can camera and then you do what they want?
Awuna mntwana ndambona ka OF. They only see me.
Oh, okay. Makes
But
sense.
there's an option for that if I remember very well.
And then also, remember you're supposed to come yesterday. Then I was like, no, man. You said were you busy doing that also? Is the content coming up?
No, I was actually trying to.
Dima ginya mbao or hey una custom. Agasia kono shake. And I understood this business.
I do have a personal life at the end of the day, so I was busy somewhere with.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Oh, thank God. Yo. So what do you do on your spare time if you're not shooting content?
Sorry about that. I love going out lately and trying to meet. I feel like I relate so much and meet the type of people that I want to communicate with at the end of the day, because I hardly do that 99% of the times.
Yeah.
So going out for me is more of, let me see what other people think of certain things. And I meet a lot of people that actually follow me. That's very weird. And we sit down and have normal conversations sometimes, and they see the other side of me. They're like, oh, okay, so OF, Mpho.
I think we should have that side now. Risatu yaka OnlyFans deep in. Let's see the other side of you that we know, that people, that we don't know, that people might want to know. Like, what is it? What are those things that you do? You know, okay, now this is the basic Mpho.
The basic me is just, I have friends. I chill with my friends, family most of the times, because I go see them a lot. And you know, there's that thing that makes you feel homely at the end of the day and makes you forget about the world.
Yeah.
And what other people try to focus on. So I prefer just my family most of the times and the closer friends. That's it.
So these closer friends of yours, like they are there also, don't you try to recruit them, or hey, then enjoying it? There's like something also inside.
Honestly, I believe everyone can make a choice, like in their own lives. They see what I'm doing. They see what I'm doing. Sorry. So I wouldn't convince anyone to do the same thing that I'm doing. I know people from, let's say, Ndikatoma or Shuma. Oh, we haven't talked about the strip club. Ndikatoma or Shuma strip club. I used to tell some people, like, no, I work at a strip club. If you want to make some money, you can come, just show up, you know, look good, you know, strip clubs, makeup, all that. And then let's see what you can do in just a night.
No, so also, which club was it? So you've been doing this,
man. Advertising people's clubs.
Oh,
now.
Yeah, about airtime.
Yeah.
Man, let's give you the airtime. So this stripping thing, you've been doing it Uberin? Because I thought it was just OnlyFans, and I mean, like, okay, TikTok creation,
I usually don't
content.
keep stripping in my mind because it was a long haul. But
and then how did you get to it also?
I was with one of my friends. I'm just gonna mention her name.
Yeah.
Zulu Bob. She's
I'm going for Zulu boy.
Zulu Bob.
So I was like, wait. Yeah.
Her name is Zulu Bob on the platforms, and then we were just sitting like, you know, we've seen videos of strip clubs and everything else like that. We should just try it out. It was before actually my OnlyFans really popped like pop and made enough money for me to just survive. Like, let's go to the strip club and see what's happening.
Yeah.
Went there, interview. We started at the club in Joburg, just up there, steep healing and then I was like, I don't like this place. I feel like it's way too dark for me, and it doesn't give me that feeling of I'd enjoy working here. And then we went to the other one. I know most people know that I worked there. I actually really enjoyed working there because at some point I enjoyed dancing. I enjoyed the stripping part of it.
Is it called dancing, kind of shaking?
Exotic dancing.
Because I can dance like, then you can exotic dance.
Exotic dance, yeah. So I enjoyed the exotic dancing, and I enjoyed a lot of things that I learned from that side of the industry.
And then is the money then stripping? Because I seen one post was then go China. I see that in movies also.
In movies, yeah. In South Africa,
unless
honestly,
it's something different.
In South Africa, honestly, I wouldn't compare it with the other countries I've worked in, because I went to Nigeria and Ghana I didn't work. I just went and decided I don't want to do this anymore. But in Nigeria, compared to South Africa, I felt like there was much more money, and they give you a chance to make money without going into the sex industry deeply, like in South Africa. So South Africa, we were no focus too much kamarao.
Which is why I'm paying.
No,
ndingazibhadhiro bona bhasi ndichingabhadhiro linamera lanyisa umwe pili. Does that make sense to you?
You know, in Nigeria you can just make money from just shaking your ass. Just shaking your ass without doing anything. Sometimes people don't even need to like touch you or do extra stuff. like here in SA.
Yeah.
Like it's
Yeah, that's the content we need.
so it's just like a lot in South Africa. And when they tip, it's very hard to get a huge tipper in SA.
Tipa is in Cheredity.
Yeah, a person
Yeah,
that
it was-
really tips you, like really. That's it's really hard because there's one thing. Tipa for the night. You know, there's that conversation after of okay, so what are we doing after here?
Oh, the private rooms and stuff.
Yeah.
Did you get involved in that? Also, lazo fini go strip in Nepal and then the manager. I'm not sure if they're managers or what. And then I feel I'm going to the private room, and then you go do that for them only.
Honestly, I was involved in that like a lot of times.
Oh, that was your cash cow.
Generally, yeah. That's how I made most of the money. Even though let me say on stage there was some kind of money because I have started Instagram and all that. So people would want to see this person from Instagram. Oh, she works at a certain club. Okay, let's go see. Get there. They do that. They tip, everything else like that. But obviously, if it's a group of friends, you guys are stupid. You'll convince each other.
No, how so?
Ines, I can test the rip for Rukwiti. I mean,
We test the how?
you
Like-
guys want to go to a private room. Probably some don't want sex. Some just want to have that one-on-one with you.
What
But
kind of one-on-one? Like as a psychologist,
hey,
what would you be doing?
that you learn a lot from these places. People are going through a lot out there. And if they are not paying for a psychologist, they're paying for a stripper to give them that.
Because here's the thing, I was watching if you mean into now. The one that's Yadia Tyler Perry, the latest one.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Beauty in Black.
Beauty in Black.
Yeah, because
yes.
also that guy Horace, he
Yes.
used to like
Just call her.
call a guy,
Yeah.
okay, done. But then I'm like, guys, why are you
What were
paying?
you
If-
doing?
So
Yeah.
you go through that also, and from
Yeah.
about,
You just
then you get
said
money
like,
for that. So you might as well be a psychologist as well.
I feel like I am.
You must go to school for it. And then if this thing doesn't go well in the near future, like I can always
honestly,
do
I
this.
don't think there's ever a chance of it not going well in this state.
So you're a pro, ne? That's what people say. Right? As soon as you do chimbe, like, I mean.
Like no matter what, I feel like every time I try to do something, I bet on it and it works. So I'm a huge believer, and I believe the universe will give you what you want at the end of the day. So
Yeah.
it goes very well at the end of, but we are psychologists.
And then you spoke of how, like, I mean, you were doing this thing as stripping, but then OnlyFans, but then there was a time when you were like, I've got those riches. Now OnlyFans is popping, like, quit at you. When was that moment? When you're like, yeah, I'm actually living my life. I'll stop everything.
I feel like with everything, there's more of a greedy side of it. Because even though OnlyFans was doing or is doing as much as it's like doing, there's something that I would want to do just after all this. And I don't want to really stick into doing OnlyFans for the rest of my life, honestly. And when it comes to stripping, I decided to stop stripping because of the drama, the rules. There's like controlling and
Oh, they tell you how to dance also. Like, do this. That's how they control. Or there's another way.
honestly, you get taught how to dance and everything else like that. You get told what to wear, not to wear. Looks, obviously, you must look like a stripper at the end of the day. You can't just go to a club and be wearing, let me say, these heels and
How
think
does
you're
a stripper look like?
Oof. I wish I had a video right now of how I looked when
So
I
you
was...
deleted everything. You're like, nah, I'm not going to be all about that anymore. You could have deleted.
Yeah.
Would you go like this to a strip club? Like
Just to
Mawuzi?
visit or...
No, like when the stripper, when I'm trying so we like, okay, me go at least
I feel like in SA, this is proper.
for a strip club.
In SA, yes.
Oh, some of the things are basic here.
Yeah.
Yeah, ne?
Everything is just, honestly, compared to, hey, the other sides, they'll tell you, hey, my sister, I do something because what you're wearing is a no. You don't look the part, actually. You need to look a certain part for a certain brand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you mentioned, you're going to do this thing and then up to a certain point, because you see you can't do this forever. When do you want to stop, man? And why would you want to stop?
I don't have a specific time, honestly, of when I'd love to stop. But
We have him to hour, to call OnlyFans.
it depends on the type of people that's around you. generally the people that you work with, because you can't be running a certain brand and then all of a sudden shutana batune they don't make sense. That's where no wapo nichpo shutana batune you didn't shoot with before. And I feel like so far I've created a brand where I shoot with a certain caliber of people, and I feel like I can't go lower than that.
What's your caliber like? What are the people that you go for? So you must have a type also, like how OnlyFans. This is my type. I need such people.
To make your life much simpler, because this is not just a job generally. This is something you would love doing almost every day. We do it every day generally. If you're in a relationship, part of a relationship, if you have sneaky links or whatever. So you consider that part of, I wouldn't fuck this person. And this is not my type of guy. You need to find someone that knows Zudana and you're like, oof, I'd love to fuck that nigga no matter what happens.
Oof. Yeah, and then also you spoke of Shantus as business. I mean, are you treating this thing as a business? Can it's a hobby to you? Like
it's more of a business right now. It started as a hobby, and right now it's more of a business because you have schedules, you have to make appointments, you have to talk to certain people and all that. Yeah, you have to create a lot of content. Do you treat your podcast as a business or just?
Nah, I think it's a hobby, man. Although if it makes money, then I'll appreciate. But then I treat it as a hobby.
Okay.
So with you treat it as a business.
It's
but then
business.
If you come
it's a business
you also
hobby.
treat it as
It's kind of both.
Yeah, you wanted to tell me your type also in the kind of guys you go for. Like let's speak of body structure now. What you go for?
Body structure. I feel like I like.
Because you can't just take a what and then you bring them there on screen and then Nerdo Quarters has new subscribers.
Yeah, I feel like body type wise, I don't like people that are big. I'm like, look at me.
Yeah.
I'm big already, and imagine if we're standing together and it's kind of the same size or bigger. It doesn't make sense.
Why?
I don't like a person with a belly because I feel like there's limits to what we can do.
Oh.
Yeah.
What can you do? Come to us, Namkava. That you can't do. Come
What's
to
a woman
Namkava.
on top, Namkava?
I don't know, man. Trying to process it now. What if Mkava? Remember Mkava the name?
No, even when you're just laying.
I wouldn't
that
know
part.
that. Yeah, and then the flesh stomach.
Really?
That one I the idea category.
Yeah, kind of.
On a scale of 1 to 10. Where'd you put
let's
me?
give you an 8.
80?
Yeah.
Guys, and that is just podcast. Just know the one corner on the blue app. I'll be gone. Yo. Okay, so I'm not one like maybe like you do this thing now. When I'm in then they try to catch feelings. Maybe in Kodiyam online. That's one of the there's that. And then how do you treat that?
So far, I don't know how to treat that, but honestly, okay, I was in a relationship for a very long time, so I could maneuver those type of relationships to, oh no, I'm in a relationship, I can't do this with you, I can't do that.
So you're in a relationship doing that?
Yeah. Yeah. So I would just swerve it to, oh no, I can't do this, I'm in a relationship. But some of them would get angry, like, so you're doing this, you're selling us a certain brand, but you're in a relationship, we are thinking you're not. So some people get angry if they find out, I'm fantasizing over a person that's with someone. Doesn't make sense. But right now, it's more of a situation of, oh no, don't worry, one day is one day, we can make it work. Just soften up a person because you still need them at the end of the day.
Yeah, true.
It's like, no, don't worry. Maybe lunch, but sometimes it's not.
Oh, you do meet these people?
No.
Oh, you just promise
sometimes
them.
it's not going to happen. But just to polish a person. Now I'm giving out my secret to
to
not
the
meeting
subscribers.
up with people.
Now, please, we don't want white people here. That's me trying to say your customers are white people. Do you have black people there?
A lot of them.
Venda people?
A lot.
Venda people?
Honestly.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I see your subscribers? Like, your subscriber?
You can.
You can?
Yeah.
Let's just do it, man.
Don't read out names.
I'm not going to read out names. Do you know what happened with the last lady? She didn't show me, like, the people, but then she told me.
No, I can't.
So imagine, no project is to
yeah.
So I'm going to project it with you also, man. Oh, guys, I'm about to feast. Yeah, so with that also. So what happened with the boyfriend? Because you said you had a boyfriend. Namini. So why did he break up with you? Why did you break up with him? While I read the names, you could be answering that.
Wait, let me see.
I'm so happy. Where's the video?
Let me do it. I feel like it's much easier, but it's much harder to like scroll.
We're a category in terms of meaning.
I think it's much harder
Location.
to scroll in that manner because it gives them in a bigger thingy. But
This
let me
guy
go.
is Venda.
You see, you can even see from the name sometimes. So
And when I was Kingsley, when I call it, what name can I use? Jordan. If you say Jordan subscribe, that will be me. Very soon.
I feel like it's much easier to read them from here.
Oh yeah.
Don't just get on the messages by mistake.
Yeah, you were still saying the boyfriend. What happened with the boyfriend?
I feel like there's a lot that's happening in my life right now, and he had.
Okay, wait. Sorry, Mujena. You know what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to see what one are Diva fan. Do you have them?
I don't think you'll probably know.
Oh, continue. I'll
Some
check.
use different names for that.
But you can tell you didn't toy or in the Maginia now to film.
Wambanga Venda sometimes. But I prefer.
There's name Maginia. I embarrass Diva. Yeah. So okay. There's a lot of vendors. The boyfriend. Sorry me.
Yeah. So I feel like everyone was just going through a lot. What?
I know this guy. Yeah.
Okay. I feel like I've heard that surname No. Oh yeah. Okay.
You know him too? I'll send you his profile.
Yeah.
Instagram.
Yeah. I know. So everyone was just going through a lot, and I felt like I was getting overwhelmed in the relationship.
Yeah.
And it didn't serve positively in my mental health generally.
Yeah. Do you also consider that also mental health? Yeah, I mean, so like
I consider that a lot. I do.
But then how was he also with the whole thing that you were doing, like a relationship?
Honestly, he was an amazing guy. So very supportive. Yeah.
How do you support that, man? Like, was he also doing that with you? And then he's like, oh, it's fine.
I don't think I'd do any content with a person I date because I don't want them to be out there in that manner. And I don't date anyone. And I don't date anyone that's in the industry. Yeah. What?
Yeah, no, I'm just seeing a lot of. Yeah, I think I've seen enough. Hey, guys. This one will be a text you up because DM of it. No one I'm funding people. No funds are context. Yeah, so this whole thing. So, what's the one thing that surprised you when you joined OnlyFans? You're like, yo, I didn't know it was gonna be like this. And you joined, and then all of a sudden there's this.
I don't do expectations at all. So whatever that comes my way, I just get on with it.
So also with guys, like you don't expect something to be big, like
no,
as long as you are
not
you.
at all. I've seen like, oh God, I almost said that. Okay, I've seen people that have like bigger bodies and everything, and you expect this person to be big
everywhere.
Yes, or have a great performance. It's like seeing a person with a big dick now, and you expect, oh, this one they're gonna kill me. And then when you get on with them, it's stupid. Like, what sex is this? Like, why do you even have that big shit on you?
At least you don't have expectations, so you don't like have that thing or so you've seen boys with like small bodies, but
I can make myself happy, but I've seen people with.
Is it worth it, Mara?
It is.
To make yourself happy.
Very much worth it.
Don't you think that thing takes away that thing or okay, which really I thought the mujita and takaz, I mean. So you're always about like, and the way what was is maybe that's why your relationship ended. You're like, fuck it, man. Whatever you did, I can always do.
Use my vibrator.
Oh, your vibrators. Did you bring them?
No.
Oh, you don't walk around with them?
No, those are private.
The last girl brought them.
No, I don't.
No, that was not a vibrator. I think it was just a dildo.
Yeah. I don't even carry them anyway because I hardly use them generally.
Do you know what I should have brought? If you mean Ilantuna. You put it. So you give me the remote requirement.
I don't think I still even use it. I feel like I don't enjoy most toys that have to do with penetration, honestly, compared to the ones that just play around the clit. So I focus on the clit more than penetration. Even on content.
So ramba nga watu vanji like vafenda makuwana me. So I'm trying to see who are your more subscribers. Do you think ndi vato vashunga ninga yani? Because I'm trying to see if vala tuwe wambanga ola mwana vachikowera napo. Because I was actually looking for him there.
Honestly, I'm not really sure, hey? Not too sure. Because I feel like mostly with traveling is, if you go to a certain country, that month you probably, because at geolocation, everything else like that, you get subscribers from that location mostly. So since I'm in SA, I've seen a lot of South Africans, but I don't know. Ngori ichi visa pala ayamburi ni Mzulu, ni Venda, ni Mchangani. It's kwamboro, okay, South Africa, that's it. And most
so is there more South Africans or what?
For now, there's more South Africans. Wait,
Look
I
at
haven't
percent.
checked in a week. Let me see.
So you check every week? Oh, so they are fluctuators. So it can be like, so after South Africa, what's there?
It's probably the UK.
Oh, not even Nigeria. I thought it would be Nigeria.
I don't think they really...
Or they're all about the physical thing. They want to see it.
Yeah.
They don't want to go online.
Yeah.
So come data and I mean.
So when they don't... Where is it?
Let's
Forgot
look
where
for
to
it.
check this thing.
$100
It's just $100.
$100 is like 1.7, right?
Yeah, the last time I checked. But
Yeah,
I think, didn't they drop or pick
Do you know
up?
what I should do? Record Japan and then I will have
And
it.
then what will you do?
They pay dowry, but and I USA. Don't you think?
But none to a USA mus.
Yeah, but you get paid in those things. But other funga, YouTube becomes badera and guys is the dollar.
So the
So you
top
can give me the
countries, the top countries right now are SA and United States.
SA, US, UK. How many subscribers do you have?
Just a few.
In number of your subscriber?
No, it's people that visit the profile. Sometimes it goes with a month.
So 97,000 people have watched you.
Generally.
Yo, that's a lot. So how do you keep consistent with all these people? Whenever you expect us to for
Like
free.
every day.
Yeah.
I feel like keeping the consistency with them is generally having conversations with those people on the DMs. And right now, it's a lot of work because you have to do Instagram, you have to do TikTok, you have to do OnlyFans. You need someone that's going to help you with one of them at the end of the day.
Let me control your accounts.
Never.
Instagram. I'm so professional.
You don't
Trust
want to
me.
go to my DMs.
Why not? Actually, that's where I should go now. Let's see the people on the
No.
DMs. That's the Instagram.
No.
Why are they people that we know?
Yeah.
But for South Africa, gonna like.
Essay.
Let me see.
Actually, I think it's.
Let's just go through it, man. As we know, man.
I'm just gonna
like
take
no
you-
Yaga's effect his name. If you die, then I'm like, oh shit, that
No.
was your Mudau so. Now the thing can come out. Because that's gonna be my cash cow. If Letitia don't know what, because then I'm
You're gonna
now.
make money out of it.
Yeah, I'm gonna make money through you guys. Trust me, I'm not lying.
Which
Letitia
one?
and Sarah Magmadzina.
Which account is this?
How many accounts do you have?
I have 2.
Oh, what I mean? When I explicit in writing.
I don't think it's explicit because I'm no longer doing anything explicit on my thingy. So I just
Ndene, what is him? It's verified. Hey!
that's why I said there's a lot of people there that generally you don't have to.
Ha! Hey! Ha! Now you!
Yeah.
Ha, Ivo! Ha! Nachigwena wa! And chigwena china ingwe ntweyo. Tiweta ntu.
Who's that?
No, it's fine. I think Ramba got what those ones are doing. Hi, Ivo! Hey, guys. Yo, I'm gonna make money when you die, man.
How do when you die?
None too. Bro!
Let me see.
Camera game maginya wazuma.
Songo zuma. Don't
Nachigwena
zoom,
chigwena
guys.
chomara msi. And chika happy relationship.
No, it was just I know a person that's working with him, so we just did a follow back
Vasa unonidia.
because I promote a lot of. Oh, never! I would never.
Anichi iboni nishina big energy. achina unamkhava but phone igesisedza guy damn guys I'm sorry riri kuita richita ntiri protector mwana vatu vavuraya famba I'm loving this no tinadobvisa abvisa asina ndi maginyi
so I'm canceling you guys if you do that.
Nachigwena. Yo, there's a lot, man. And I come to that kumwana. Okay, let me search him. Because I know he's famous for that. Where do you search on thing? No, heki waso achaita. Okay, it's not here. There's a lot, man.
What's that?
Have you smashed the thing? A minister?
No. I don't think so.
So you didn't know they were minister, they just come as customers?
Probably in the clubs, but generally...
you do smash in clubs?
I used to. But after the strip club, I just stopped doing it. Yeah.
Yo! But at least you didn't smash that guy.
Which one?
The guy where
I
you
never...
Why not? Maraji, I
don't like.
Must give him, man.
I don't really like him. I feel like the other reason I didn't do it with him is
he tried.
There's someone that posted, I think they tagged him on Facebook or something like that.
Dim Venda, guys. That's all I can give you at least.
There's someone that texted that what do you call that? Tag them on Facebook. And then when they take them, it was like, how come you haven't been with this girl? And she's Venda and she's from Venda, blah, 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 and all that. You know those situations. So right now, it's more of a, people want you to do this. And now I see a text from you after a few months saying, hey, how are you? Where are you? Or something like that. So for me, it was like, if you're going to do this for the people, my nigga, and you're not even that type of person I would generally see passing and just be like,
so it's me over him,
generally,
yeah. I'm him, guys. Yo, I just wanted to have that
nigga.
Yeah. So now it was
yourself.
He has no game on me. That guy.
Yes.
I'm trying to talk of the bandin and I'm trying
to
Of course, man. That's how you keep it moving. Like 7 years with him, but talk
by gossiping about us.
Yeah.
But I love the pillow talks actually. Pillow talks are the best because things that you can't tell to people, you can just tell them to just one person, and you know that they're kind of safe if you trust them for a very long time. Because some people, after breaking up, they just spread out stuff.
So what are you doing now? Like, who are you doing the pillow talk with? If you don't have anyone.
I don't have a pillow talk.
So you're struggling. I should get you one of my friends.
I talked to my friend actually.
That's not a good one. Nah.
No, that's a good pillow talk because we talk a lot about a lot of stuff. Things that I couldn't tell maybe my partner at some point, I can tell her. Yeah.
Do you know this other guy? I want you to check him out. Will you smash him? Chief Mpho Nephawe. Instagram.
Like really?
I really want to know. You know, she plaque. She don't pillow talk. She didn't. She's the wrong quarter. She go, I need to search him out.
Yeah, you need to search.
Guys, there's going to be a lot of searching here. Chifini, mara ndichifuti changa ndochidhiisa nya anidhiisi nyana watoto rivo vave right like I
don't do that.
So
I know, pass.
ndikodomuta zvino vatu vasiri mufana wanga upasiwa. You see, and then vatu vaitantu vatofona zvino like people do get numbers. I mean vatombera zori we know you do OnlyFans. I mean mara can you do something on the side? Ari game, that's what they do. You know, game TV and that into vatu vorengisa. So do people say that ringorengisana?
People always ask me that question, but honestly I don't even say no, I don't, because that's the perspective they have. And I feel like it's much better if they have that mindset, because if they know that I don't anymore, it's gonna be a situation of just wasting my time. Yeah.
And then what's different from what you do in Nantu na the porn itself? Because people say, it's sustain. I mean, we are like creators, as if those ones like what are the AI? Just
I feel like there's nothing much more different, because I remember I was shooting with King Nasir at some point.
Oh, you've been with that guy?
Yeah.
Hey. Oh, those first come out. No, it's John Runga. Would you do John Runga?
Okay. So
You have?
No, never. I wouldn't. I think I know him from high. Is he from Technical High?
No, Ojena Kweva.
I feel like I know him from somewhere.
Mara is all over social media.
I think I know him like personally, not personally, but I've seen him like come Sindikadiba High School, or I once saw him or something like that, because his face looks like really familiar.
I'm gonna tell him to text you tonight.
No, he shouldn't.
I
I don't really reply on my.
Oh yeah, you
DMs.
don't.
Yeah.
How did I? Oh, I got your number. So I was trying to see how did you respond to me?
I
'Cause-
respond to certain people.
You
If
don't-
I know you, I'll respond.
but then you didn't know me even.
I knew Uwap.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But
Not
then-
knew, but
naye kaninyatfusana naye wafani kuitani
no.
ndenari private
No,
waingedhanda
I know her from when I was still in high school, actually. Yeah, that's it.
yeah
For now.
Oh, for now that's it.
Yeah.
So there's no ngo recruiter.
No,
Nah, don't do that to
never.
the kid,
We've
man.
never talked about anything else except being here generally.
Hey guys, ndikatipresa madzina vala vatu ma. Okay. I don't know
Really?
and with a mic it. Tikotopfaresa something. No, let me just show you the name.
Okay, I
'Cause
think it's
ndido-
much better.
Yeah, because
saying
ndido hangwa
it-
ndamuta. Ndido hango mute and then now I'm all over fimini. Zvava zvochaya cause ufichigwena blind chi dangerous. Songo chiona chorali hapo nda. Oh. Ish.
I wonder.
Bueno.
What was the question?
Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect. Or has he tried something, or has it been texting you or something like that?
No, never.
I
I don't think he knows me.
Oh, if he gets to know you, then you're dead.
No, not at all. I wouldn't.
Really?
Yeah.
Why? It's cool, man.
I
And you
grew
know,
up- I
apparently,
grew up-
family guys are like the best.
I grew up knowing a lot of things around him, so just being with him, I'd be asking a lot of questions.
What do you know about him?
Social media bullshit.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
generally. So I'd be more so. Ndapfochifini inoita mini ndizvone.
Which is true, obvious. Facebook.
But for me, it's more of a, are you really sure? Like, are you this person or that person? So I ask a lot of questions when I see some people.
And then, doing all this thing, like, what are they saying at home? Do they even know about it?
Yeah, it was a hard transition from them not knowing to knowing. Because it was a situation of Dorera Chewero, actually. Chewero, yeah.
Oh, I thought to a vendor like.
I went to Pyando for my high school years, generally. So Dorera Chawero, there's that group of kids and all that, and they still want to know what's happening. And the adults are worried or whatever. So I felt like someone showed them something from when I was still taking just pictures.
Oh, no.
Before I started doing videos and everything else like that. Because the picture that I saw was actually from Instagram. And I had posted a slide of, it's still there on my Facebook. I posted a slide on Instagram for my birthday, and it had all the pictures that I took, like even the bikini photos. And bikini photos for them were just a lot, probably to process that time. So when my mother went to Chawero, she got those news and like, how uyazi ukuthi umntana kwenzani and everything else like that.
Shaking Nash.
Yeah. Like, okay. Manega, I felt like I was much more prepared for that conversation from a long time ago because I knew it was going to come.
Yeah.
She called me. I think I was staying alone at that point because I moved out of home around 1920 when I was doing college, and after that, yeah. So she calls me and she's like, I'm hearing things here, like what's happening? Like, why don't you tell me what's happening? My mother is a very open person. I feel like we kind of have the same personality of going through situations.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm like, what do you mean? Like how? They're showing me photos, nude photos,
Was it with nude? Oh.
and all that. So it was a whole long conversation. I'm like, okay, I felt like you and I right now are due for a certain conversation. So whatever they're saying about me, just take it, but I'm going to have a proper conversation with you. Because I can't deny what they're saying. And I don't want you to go all your life thinking people have been saying this and she decided not to tell me.
Yeah.
I'm going to have a sit down with you. But if you feel like you can't be patient enough to have a sit down with me, I'm just going to tell you over the phone. Because right now you're not going to sleep at night thinking how people are saying this about my daughter. Ufi ngwanangu ita mini like ukusenda zvinepe ukuringisa zvinepe. But I remember I once hinted at her before I went to the strip club. There was a video on the TV. I felt like it was Cardi is the one that does mostly of the stripper pole videos and everything. There was a video on TV that was playing and a stripper was dancing there. And I was like, I feel like I want to do that. And she was like, nangwananga, angasiite zvito raro. Nangatofimini, like ratotambulisa hani. Ningasisvike hapo.
That was before COVID.
That was before she knew
what
everything.
You wanna mean?
Yes, that was before. And when that happened, I was like, you remember at some point I hinted about certain things. Because me, before I do things, and I think about it, it's like getting a tattoo for me or any piercing or anything else like that. I sit down and I spend a lot of time procrastinating and everything else like that. So, yeah, I got to that situation, told her, and like, okay, let's have this conversation. Since you can't be patient, my lady, this is what I'm doing. And right now, you know that we're struggling. And the money I've been sending you, my girl, is the money from the things that you're crying about right
the pussy
now.
Money.
Yes. So right now, we need to like figure out what's happening. And honestly, I'm at an age where if I wanted to do something, you can't just stop me from doing it. So let's just...
And then what was the reaction after all that?
I don't think it's on the phone. And I felt like it would have been much nicer if we sat down together and have a one-on-one conversation, because I would have seen her reaction generally. So that at that point it was... I don't know what she's thinking, but right now sometimes I become nonchalant. So in that spot I was like, I don't want to stress about this. She knows right now. And it's like telling your girlfriend that you cheated on her and then you send her 1 million roses and a fat bank account and everything else like that. They forget, right?
I don't know if they forget, eh?
Some of them forget. A lot of people forget.
Have you ever cheated? Amara, obvious, you should.
No, like, seriously.
I'm like, OnlyFans, you can't be on OnlyFans and be loyal.
No, my previous relationship was an open relationship. So I couldn't call that cheating. Unless if I didn't tell him
you
that...
You labeled it as that, so now it's open. So
it was very... I would tell him that even people that I met up with at some point were like, you said you're in a relationship. But like, yes, I told him that I'm coming to you. It's like, how does he feel when you do that? Like, honestly, he wouldn't tell me how he feels, but I feel like as much as we've talked about certain things, he probably accepts it or enjoys it. There's that. Yeah. So, mother, relationship, I've run them like in the same pace.
This whole time, where's your dad? Is he around? Or you don't know him? You don't know him?
Funny. I know him.
Oh.
Yeah.
Isn't he a subscriber maybe? Never go to I know him. It's like I've seen him on the subscribers.
No, I know him. And I think he has genes of people that are probably known on social media or out there generally. Because even my brothers from his side, because I just started knowing them not so long ago, is that like 5 years ago, when did I start? When I was in grade 10, 11, 12? Somewhere there, but okay, it's been some time. So ever since I started knowing them, I have a brother that's a DJ and I have a little brother that's into content creation too. And there's me.
You're into content creation also, yeah.
Yeah, so, and there's whatever the others, I don't know what they're doing. But the two so far, it's more of a, okay, so you guys get into this and you really pop. So is this thing gene or whatever. Because even him right now, he's into. I've
into
seen
what?
him promoting some show and.
Wait, show, I mean, Rella.
No.
So
No, it's a show of pregnancy. Yeah, so he's there and
It's ironic, eh?
yeah.
Exactly. Also, aren't you scared maybe when you're doing that you might get pregnant or you're always like ready? But what the tawe? You're your own doctor.
For the longest time, I've been on family planning, and generally with most of the people let me not say most, because I've created OnlyFans content with certain people.
How many?
So far, I'd remember 3 that made my content really good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So most of them is protective, and unless if we go through tests sometimes. But if we ever go through a situation of okay, this is what the fans want, let's just do it quick. Everyone goes to a doctor. And obviously, I don't know if they do sometimes, but for me, it's more of I want to go to the doctor and just consult and see what's wrong and what's right. Yeah, so I value my doctor way too much, more than anything.
And then how many rounds can you take in a day?
In a day, honestly, I think I've grown out of that rounds thingy. If it's good, oh, yes, we can go all the
What's
way
good?
around.
Is it time? Is it the doing? What is it?
The pace.
Oh, there's pace.
There's pace.
Pace in the mean
performance.
it's either you're fast or slow.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
It depends on the person that I'm with and how small or big they are.
Oh, so if they're big, they must be fast. Oh.
I feel like, okay, I want to ask a certain question about this thing, right? I don't know if I asked this question some other time, and someone said, what you feel when I'm inside you is probably what I feel at the end of the day. So if it feels good on my side, and I feel that, oof, this thing feels really good, you can feel it, there's something different compared to the other one.
Oh.
Yes. And then when you come to someone else, it's like, okay, or I'm used to this, or
It's
it doesn't
basic,
feel
it's average.
it's just average. Even if they perform very well, there's nothing like what you felt from someone else. So it's the same situation generally, because I've asked guys and they said, "Hi, mara hola nga si dipo fana na hoy, hola wa dipesa, hola oita minimi."
Anyway, Deepa, what do people say about you?
Dipesa.
Wow, how many people have told you that?
Rare. Why do I count? This is like asking
There's a
me
lot
what's
that have
my
been
body
told.
count. This
Actually, what is it?
I don't know.
You've lost count.
I don't count.
Is it over 10?
I don't count.
Nah, man, tell me, man.
I don't count. I've heard people ask me that question a lot, honestly.
Yeah, but then you have 30.
Ingawa chipira na 1,000 udivanye.
Nah, man. If you had 1,000, then you just have to like divide that by 10. So it's somewhere around 100, I mean. And then what's the longest you've gotten? Where am I getting these questions, guys?
Like where? Because
I don't know, man, but I'm just trying to process.
coming.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm
As
losing the
in-
script here also. I'm just like, yeah, let's talk.
Yeah, as in time or
Yeah, like time. What's
how
the
long does a
longest?
person last?
I don't know. You should tell me.
I feel
Hence, I
like-
asked you, like, what's the longest you've gone with a
Honestly,
person?
I've never checked time, but there's people that would just come and continue, and you'd be surprised. Like, oh, we've gone for like an hour now, and you're still going on. Like, it doesn't make sense.
So, Ubachara Tomoshuta, there's someone who has been busy with you, then they haven't stopped.
Generally, yeah.
Ne?
You just probably take, not even, some don't even take a break. You just take a break to like change position. Is that a break?
I don't
It's
know.
not even a break.
Mara chia break
Changing
chikolo ni
position.
rubiara chincha mdededzi.
Yeah,
So Zambari, yeah, it could be
it's a
that.
break, yeah.
Chikolo chika deba, yeah,
They
the
should
break.
continue, all right? So there's people that do that, and you're like, this is too much. Like, I can't do this anymore, my guy. This is...
Oh, so you get tired as well. I feel like I'm to aka OnlyFans, they shouldn't have a say. Like, hey, do this, man, for the people.
You'd be surprised because
it's for the
guys,
culture.
Because the guys, us females, it's much easier to maneuver around the sex because the only thing you have to do is get wet. Even though I'm not turned on, as long as it's wet, you can just go on. But with you guys, it's another situation. You could go with a person and they just go for a few minutes and they're like, okay, I can't do this anymore. Like we still have like a whole scene or scenes that we have to shoot. We have to change like 6 positions right now and you're still on the...
Oh, so you need to like plan or to 6 positions, this and this time.
Honestly, there's positions that sell more than the others and let me say... positioning of the camera and everything else like that.
Wakushimsona cameras and step
You can't repeat something. If it's not natural, just leave it, honestly. Because in that end, shoot at this angle and it doesn't work or something happens, then are we still gonna go back to the same position?
So what if someone comes, like come as an Uda, and then no,
I thought of that when you texted me and I said I was coming. It's like, okay, which coming am I talking about? Is it the natural coming?
If you said you were coming yesterday, I would have known. Or okay, she's not coming to our studios.
Okay.
She's busy doing something
coming
else.
Somewhere. Okay.
And you did say you are coming yesterday.
Oh, generally.
I should have known. Yeah, so I wanted to say, Uri, don't you have people maybe then they're enjoying you. Then they get to the point where no, rock up, let's redo this thing right. So like they just do it.
That.
Oh,
but I have rules around the times where we are shooting and everything is like that because we can't keep doing the same things and there's a time to check out at a place. There's a time where the person that's helping us to do all this needs to leave and you just want to fuck again. It doesn't make sense. Let's just make what works work.
And then the camera guy, what is he doing then during all these things? He's just there standing. So you've never had anything with the camera guy?
Never.
Hey, yo, so when you guys are doing that thing, like you have someone and they're actually watching you.
Basically, I take them as a person that's watching over the screen. It's
don't like manager, like they're checking, you're doing the good thing. I mean, oh, okay, but then
they don't even say that. But for me, I'm more of a... I don't want a person to tell me what to do because right now you're ruining my mood if you're going to tell me, no, right now let's do this. No, I don't like that position. No, you are not mourning right. Don't tell me that because that's not what I am generally.
Wait, you're supposed to mourn. How do you mourn right then?
There's people that do that, but me, I have my own way of mourning.
Let's try it out. There's a mic. I'm trying to get you subscribers.
That would be a fake mourn.
Yeah, let's do a fake one.
No.
I'm trying to get the business to boom, man. I'm all about Venda placement.
I need to go pee.
Yeah, you can go. Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect. Hey, continue.
Come and continue.
Yeah, come and continue. Come and continue. Should have gone with you there. And then go to like no, Nendo Yakaya separating. Now because people know, man.
Wow.
Wait.
You're on mourning and all.
Oh yeah, I wanted you to mourn there. You were practicing in the bathroom. How was it? You can.
Did I practice? I didn't practice. No.
So
I don't fake mourn.
So
I used to do that a long time ago. I broke out of it.
So why do people do that? Their stigma and all that.
Honestly, I feel like you just want a person to finish what they're doing and you think mourning will help them to actually finish.
Oh.
Yeah.
I get it. Mtu anaenda ngatakara achifekeriwa ti ndwale rarikamba kai Facebook.
Like why?
Atova see ofi.
I get disgusted at some point.
Oh, with such things, is it?
So I'm the type of person, if ever that happens, if I leave after we do something and I
like immediately after I stop at you getting dressed and
like,
then you leave.
I need to go somewhere, so
It wasn't nice.
Not really nice, but just I have a lot going on in my mind and I need my own space. Yeah,
man. And then also, do you do girl on girl?
Honestly,
Actually, let's go check it. This other girl, and she's always there on your thing, on your profile on Instagram. Because I did check but then you can answer that while I check the girl.
Yeah.
So do you do girl on girl?
I don't.
Why not?
I'm not really into girls to that point. I like girls, honestly. I would kiss a girl, but
should I bring that one? I'm kissing.
no.
Why not? Let's try it, man.
No.
Do the any man bora. Why go shaba? We love many I mean na many nisina. Do dange no ni kisiwe.
Wow.
What is this? Let me follow you. I didn't follow you. Now,
Wow,
guys,
you don't follow me.
Guys, they go follow because she's a friend now. I'm following her because
and they must follow me too.
Dina watu abafunzi hapo no
They
follow.
must follow me too.
You guys should follow her. Hey, madam ko ni just to cut timeline now. Okay, no, come back on to Instagram, eh?
No, let me see which account you're following.
This one, isn't this yours?
Oh, okay. But it's not really that bad compared to what I used to
Unaimwe?
do first. No, what I used to post on the other account first used to be...
Oh, I'm the follower case we sorted.
Yeah.
What did you do in the bathroom?
Nothing. I was just peeing.
I've been on mtwana and chipping. I remember if you have like your HIVs, flu, mini, TB, there's a time where this time you no peace.
Shame. Not yet. I hope it doesn't get to that.
No, man, where's that girl? I'm trying to get that girl. Oh, Koi. Haven't you done it together?
Never. Honestly, we've never.
Sinazo. Yeah. Sinazo, you must do it.
Never.
I'll subscribe when you...
Honestly, I would never.
Is she a friend or a fellow colleague?
She's my best friend. We were once fellow colleagues.
In the OnlyFans space, did you?
No, we met in Nigeria. I almost said the name of the club. We met in Nigeria.
Yeah.
And things just flowed. A lot happened and we got to be much closer.
So you don't feel like your sisters and all that? You want straight men?
I don't like girls to that point.
And then you just...
Maybe there's a girl that would push me to that limit, because honestly, I've been with girls at some point. Not...
They weren't so nice.
I can't say it wasn't... I can't say it wasn't so nice, but I wouldn't...
You were like, never, I'm not going back there.
No. I love it deep and
because it's was Oh yeah.
There's no like inside meetups and that, unless if there's tongues and dildos, and I don't want to do that. I hate dildos with all my life.
Oh, you don't use toys and all that?
Dildos, basically.
Isn't a dildo a toy? Okay, which ones do you prefer?
There's different types of toys.
Let's break them down.
That people use. So for me, I just break it down to vibrators and dildos. That's what I generally have.
Yeah.
And I always go to the shop where I buy my toys. And they always say, no, you can buy something that penetrates. And I'm like, no, I'm not a penetrator.
Are there more shops? There are lovely pages because there's
a lot. There's a lot. I should start selling toys actually, since you guys don't know.
Yeah, just as Venda, we don't have such people. Maybe I wanted that you know.
No, in Venda, I don't. I to the what Venda.
I'm not actually my business again.
Yeah, and I had a friend of mine actually, because I usually, when I go to the store, I usually post what kind of buying or what interests me. And he's like, hey, Martina, the problem is, you have to know people that want this type of things. And even if you post on social media that you're selling this type of things, people have that thing of, hey, but so it's not going to really make sense.
And then yourself, the stigma, I mean, like you don't care about the but
I stopped caring. I stopped caring
At what point did you stop?
when the money was.
So you're like, as long as there's money, fuck everyone.
They don't give me that money. I remember. Okay, I feel like what pushed me at some point is just after moving out of home. There's a time where I feel like it was just after COVID, and I had to think of a situation where I had to pay my rent, and it didn't make sense. I had to choose between buying bread and buying airtime to sell content, or ask a friend to just help me up with a certain amount, anything that I can just, buy something. And when I texted them, I trusted, I felt like that person was going to help me at some point. When I texted them, they said, right now things are so tight, I can't help you. I'm like, oh shit, okay. This is hectic.
So you're like, nah, at this point, I'm going in deeply.
Yeah, I'm just
like
going
into the
in.
industry.
Yeah, so I'm just going in because this is what's helping me right now. And if no one else can just go to that point, even now, I feel like I stopped asking people for favors and everything else like that, because I felt like no one could really just help you just like that. Even if they're close to you or your people, everyone is going through something at the end of the day. So money is just another issue.
So you call yourself like Imbokodo, like I'm doing this for myself. Like in Imbokodo,
generally.
Like the women of August.
Didn't know you. So I'm that person.
Yeah.
I don't ask. Even if I'm dating someone, I don't think I have the gut to even ask you for something. Unless if someday I'm like, just, that conversation of, hi man, kumlo tusonga mini, or phone and when you're not scared of saying certain things, you say it. But generally, I wouldn't say to you, please give me this. But I'm the type of person that would go so far to help anyone.
Yeah, ne? And then also you spoke of Nigeria, or you've been there. I mean, what are you actually doing there besides the strip club?
It was just stripping, honestly, because that's what they only allowed.
What do you mean they only allowed? They don't do content there.
They don't.
Why is that?
They do, but with where I was working, I felt like they pushed you're working for a certain brand and this is what we want. You can't do this, you can't do that. You just had to focus on, okay, I'm going to work and that's it. And then when you work in these places, you don't have much time to yourself, honestly. Because let's say you work from generally Monday to Saturday. I said to Monday, right? Yeah. So generally you have a day for your hair and then you're back at rehearsals or something like that. So one day is just for maintenance. The second day, there's not much. You still have to sleep. You have to do all that bullshit. Even if you work at night, during the day,
Marna, I think wow giving your body count. Yes,
really? Right now, my body count is
it's what?
It's not even a thing.
I thought you were going to give us a number.
No, it's not even a thing.
Can I read? And we can always cut this back and I mute. When you give me the body
Honestly,
count.
I don't know.
You just don't know?
I don't know.
But I just want to know if it's over 20. Most probably, right?
Yeah. I worked at a strip club. How many people come in that place in a night? Or
come
a day?
In you, not come in that place. Come in
No,
you.
come to the club. Yeah. There's a lot.
Have you ever done an abortion?
Honestly, I'd say yes. Let me not say I'll say yes.
Was it your boyfriend and your customer? Customer no problem.
Never. I always, it's very weird that I was always conscious when it came to customers. I never...
Yeah, I was about to ask that.
Yeah,
how do you go about that?
Never
I want it raw and all that.
You never know what a person is going through, and
there's how many strippers they've slept with.
Yeah, not just strippers, generally. There's a lot of things they go through out there that you don't know what they've been attracting, infections, whatever, all that.
Yeah.
So generally you just pay that attention to, hey, no mistake must happen. Yeah, if any mistakes happen, because mistakes happen, run. you don't have time.
How many have you done?
Just one.
Oh, at least that's something, guys. Just one is enough. One is just one. You can only do if home track with a one OnlyFans. What are you doing there? Even it's badero raru. Hey. And then also, man, I wanted to ask you, you come to Nigeria or now then there's that stigma of hey, Nigerians have big dicks, vendors have these things. I mean, where is it? Where's the big one? Wait, y'all to know you wanna. The Facebook guy?
No.
Oh, damn. You should have said yes, man.
I'm laughing at this because I had a conversation with someone. And
you always have conversations.
It's no, because it's well-known people at some point. And I know him from like a long time ago. So people used to say this a lot. I hope he doesn't watch this. People used to say this a lot because the people that know me are going to know who I'm talking about. And I was like,
nah, man, I think let's put the mic and then you tell me. Or you can type on the phone.
I won't say the name.
Type on the phone. So I want to know. I'm going to protect you. I'm here to protect you. Please type on the phone. Thank you.
So people used to say, ha.
I can send it on WhatsApp.
I was doing my last year in high school.
It's very exotic, eh?
That's a nice picture, actually.
Yeah, it's
I really love that girl, actually.
It's a nice picture. I'm going to show it to you guys at least. If I remember.
Ish, my mother, you see, coming on WhatsApp.
She's calling?
No, she's
texting you?
She asked me to do something.
She's asking, where's the OnlyFans money there? I've been reading there land. I send it on WhatsApp, or you're going to show me there?
Yeah, I'm
or you
sending
type in, I say.
They disturb me because...
this thing is a lifestyle, ne? It's fun. And then if on a podcast blind, you're like, oh, okay, forget the name. Let's focus on the surname. Because I think I only know the surname. Yeah, let's restart the whole conversation. Let's restart the conversation. I was actually on a call with him the other day. No,
you see why I was saying I hope he doesn't watch this.
Nah, he's not gonna. I don't know.
Because he's gonna know. Because I'm the one that asked him that question.
Yeah, tell me about it.
So I was like,
why are you doing that voice now?
No, because that's how I asked him.
Oh, I thought you were saying that's how he said it to you.
No, that's how I asked him, actually. Because I was like, like, people used to talk a lot about you. And one thing they said about you is you really had a big dick. But right now when I look at it,
you've seen it.
It's just normal to me.
You've seen it.
You see now.
No, I'm just asking. You've seen it.
You see now. We were together. You see, my mother is calling.
You forget your mom, man.
Hello.
Tell her, say hi.
Hello. Ati tu ya Pick and Pay. Didoy. Ndika diva busy nyan. Yeah. Yeah, then Sunday. What's up?
Did you just send it to your mom?
I call her Ini.
That's what you do. No,
my mother was like 13 when she had me.
13?
Yeah. So the age gap. And when I grew up, they used to call her Sesi.
Your sister?
Yeah, Sesi. And my grandfather was like
my
father.
Back to Nando tua, gone boys worldwide. Editors no continue.
Because you have to edit it if you say the name.
Obviously, I won't even hesitate. Let's continue.
That one.
Yo. Hey, big dick. I was asking if he has one. If you've seen it.
I was still saying what I said to him. When I said, so people used to, one thing about men is, I have this thing of, I like men, right? But sometimes you have to put them on a certain pedestal of saying, I know you are here, but don't ever think that I'm way above you or something like that. The moment that you decided to approach me, you knew that I'm somewhere here. And you are just here, generally. You wouldn't approach someone that's way above your league. And you wouldn't want to go back to someone that's way, way, way above your league.
Yeah, true.
Generally. So I knew him from high school.
Oh,
Honestly.
vachitoda kana ojena naye.
No. Which one do you know? Kumra, nimute something.
No, rizongo mute. Ari kuramba nadzina. Nenda hangwa.
Which one do you know?
Unoni?
Which one?
Khali dzina longolo.
Hey.
Hono yora ari komambori into. Let me just send it to you. Guys, Nindia the protector by all means. The last time I did these things, I go down to Genedia. I think I sent you a message now. You can check it out.
Okay.
I think everyone knows by what I just described him as.
How did my mother go past D&D? Okay, definitely.
He's the one.
Yeah. So,
Come on, Saiki, please, guys. Let me delete for all in case they hack me. Yo, yeah.
I knew her. What was happening? Oh, he just found me a bus stop technical.
Oh, makes sense. The bus stop makes sense.
Yeah,
now.
the one just up there. So I felt like I was still waiting for a taxi, and it was those times where taxis down at some point, and he stops there. I was like,
Did you have a big ass then?
I always had.
No, I'm just asking.
High school watching Bizamalibuno, so I don't know if I had a big ass or not.
Yeah, my
I feel
girlfriend
like
told me this.
some
yeah.
of them are gonna watch this, so I don't know.
Yeah, and the animal will know. Yeah, so he stopped because of that. I was trying to understand why he stopped.
Yeah.
No.
So he stopped and then greeted me. Hi, how are you? Sharp. Like in my mind, I'm thinking, how does this person even know where I stay? And what if I get kidnapped?
Yeah, there's that.
Okay, I was like, how Indian babe, you know those conversations. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, that says I wanna text you vereda. Yo, the name. I probably stood there for close to an hour, and it was after those studies sessions and all that, and I'm not texting it just bring. It's like, oh, okay, let me just take this ride. I take the ride. Drops me off at home. Then he says, I'll see you next time. Okay, next time. I don't remember the second time that happened, but I think I gave him my numbers because I had a phone then. And then he texted me, let me take you out. Let me take you to get some food. That was the first time he said, let me take you out. Actually, anyone said
You got
that.
a voice.
And I'm like, hey, okay. He took me out and then we went to KFC Apala Pangami. Drive-through.
How obvious drive-through, it has to be that.
Yes, and the drive-through wasn't that popular by that time. It was probably still new KFC.
So you're impressed, you're like, oh, drive-through.
Wait. Drive-through, he gets me like a large meal, a meal where a family can have. But in my mind, I'm thinking, what are they going to say when I get home? Where did you get this money to buy this food?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, okay, does the drive-through thingy, gets me food, blah, blah, blah. And then when we get close to the house, he sends me 1,000 rands. What's 1,000 rand to a high school kid?
It's a lot, Muna.
On Okera, 10 rand.
Exactly, that's what I'm thinking. Like, yo, that's a lot.
So he sends me that money. And ever since then, after sending me that money, he used to, when I'm about to go to school or just later on, he comes check-ups on me. Right there, he didn't ask for quaiters or whatever. You know what quaiters is, right? Sex.
Oh, is it for me? Quaiters. What do you call it? You might just call it sex, guys.
No, I just want to, spice it up.
Oh, you wanna you wanna bring me in your world?
Yeah.
I'm in there now. Yeah.
So, he never asked for that, and he just every day when he meets up with me, he gives me like a little $200. He sent me money, and he still gives me money almost every time when he meets up with me. I'm still young here.
What grade was it? What grade?
I think I was in grade 11 when he was doing all that. I think it's grade 11.
I think you're old for high school, not for him, but for high school you're old.
For high school, but I haven't experienced. I was never a boyfriend's thingy or whatever. The person I started dating and it looked serious. I broke my virginity at grade 10. I wasn't into...
Do you remember the guy who broke your virginity?
Definitely.
Was he good though?
He
Kana
was.
usokoda tapanyeza.
No,
For
I
semaklekere.
still talk to him, so
Oh.
we're still good friends.
Would you let him hit again?
Just once, just to see if it was good or I was still young.
Oba ne pochikoloni.
He was
Yeah,
still
you
young.
know what we do. Send the name there. Send the name there while you're speaking.
You.
Mpho, wapoza, Chesla, Pozla. Abasende da. Don't DJ phone. Abaya send. Yeah, abaya kumbuza story cha 200.
So he
I just want
kept
to see if I know the guy, or if this I did,
You
I'm gonna
probably
ask
know him because
that person.
he was known in high school,
Yeah, I wanna see if he's known for
and he
real.
probably knows himself if he watches those things.
And my girlfriend probably knows him because she went with you. At technical.
When was she there?
Don't worry.
Really?
I think I'm
wonder.
not. I don't know, but I think wow. Yeah, I will go please
I
200.
So he gave.
Oh really? No ways, man. No ways. He gave that brew. Yeah, he's definitely gonna watch. Trust me, he's gonna watch. And no, don't text her. Hey, Munandi, no, you da.
Yeah,
Can't wait to tell my girlfriend all these things. Where is that one? Just kind of in. Hey, hold on to the no tomorrow.
So yeah.
Somebody you going to achi fetu chon. Nando chishinyadza nyana achi fetu.
So okay, all that.
Dr. Genetic in color. Hey.
Why?
I don't know why I said that. Harry, continue.
So all that started happening, gave me money and all that. And when a person does that, I feel like again, I appreciate parents that give their kids that life. Because when you experience it outside, it's not.
Yeah.
And then if you didn't get it that much and it starts happening, you're like, oh my God, like what's happening? But for me, it was more like, okay, ati one and like I'm getting
And
it
the thing I
outside.
reach,
Yeah. He kept doing that until one day he was like, let's go somewhere. I'm like, where's somewhere? He's like, no, I just want to show you a place, blah, 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 you know, all that. I was like, I know I have a curfew. So at a certain time, that's what he even said if the day I met him. And he said, Pella, you had a curfew, so you understand a lot of things couldn't happen then. And you weren't a group person. I wasn't a group person at all. I didn't like, as much as I started going out now, I didn't like doing all of these things out back then.
Yeah.
So, okay, fine, we go to the place, we chill. I'm like, oh, this is a room though. In my mind, I'm thinking, what's happening here? What's going to happen? And then, okay, that's when it happened. But I felt like the nice thing about it is he wasn't the first person to ever do it. Yeah, so it wasn't that regretful or anything else like that.
But then do you regret him doing it like sort of does it and I?
No. He didn't give me a bad memory about it, honestly.
Is he big though?
As much as I was saying, people, as I told him, people used to say, you are big. But when I look at you, you look just...
normal.
Yeah,
Look like
normal.
everyone.
Ordinary, not big.
How
Not
do I
big
look?
to a point, yeah?
How do I look?
How do you look?
What do you think of Maginya?
Guys, I don't look at you like that.
No, I'm saying nice tanga
No, my mind didn't go there, honestly, when I saw you, the both of you.
At least we're safe, guys. And then what's big to you? Here's my hand. What's big to you?
I honestly...
No, here's my hand.
Okay, let me tell you this. Honestly, let me tell you this. I don't have a specific size for me. I just have a situation where if you're good at performing, you're really good at fucking up people, yes, you can do that.
That's all about making you happy. Now I'm talking about like how big can you say, yeah, this person is big? Because remember you were like, people can be big, but I said rich. So I'm like, what are those people having there?
Okay, I'm going to say what's big is...
Chotomapachand. Or you reached to me.
Let's just start here.
Yeah.
Because I saw a person that's... What's the bare minimum? Let's
don't know.
say probably here. And
So that's the smallest you've seen?
no, never.
Oh, you've seen smaller than that?
Yeah.
If not, you go and
So
Facebook
let's-
foot.
Really,
Ati moving into
I'm
whatever.
focusing here.
Oh,
Please,
sorry. I
relax.
read.
So let's go. Probably just here. That's huge, actually, for a manhood.
I don't tell happen when the card after the show.
Ndikudala
Why happen?
ngamini.
Nana.
Apparently, they're so sharp.
Yeah, so chat the touch.
Apparently, that's that, but
Because I card, then was already beginning to comment. The comment anga personal and then as well. But then also when this whole thing is happening, don't you feel like maybe like conjure advantage the guy ni Mudau and I mean ni mtoku ni wana high school.
yeah, I did have that, but it's as much right now. I can compare this to a person that's being abused by someone else and they still stay in a relationship. Yeah.
So like a fan and so
There's
one judge.
benefits, yeah. There's benefits to that. You think of it as a, why am I still doing this? And you know, parents have a thing of, why are we so? Like, what's giving her a reason to do certain things? And you're just like, I'm getting what I didn't get at a certain place. And I was trying to think of this a few days ago when I was chilling by myself and I was thinking, what if I had a father or a person that was like a real father figure to me from a very young age? I wouldn't have thought of certain things generally. Or a person that showed me, you can afford this, you don't
So
have
that
to
spiked
go.
everything.
Yeah,
Kind of.
generally.
Guys,
The way I use generally.
Somosoko shaba man. Guys. Mara nto shaba uri ribe na bomponyana. Oh, imagine. Usina mpusha ngoni. Yo.
I think the people that showed me love late, showed me the love a bit much later
Yeah.
compared to when I really needed it. Yeah.
Yeah. And then in the next 3 to 5 years, where should we expect you to be?
Let's not have expectation because you can die any day.
If you don't die, where would you be? Would you join your porn sites? I mean, porn industry.
No.
Why not? You doing the same
I'm good
thing?
here. I think I make just enough. Yeah.
What if they're paying you like in dollars, also the millions? You still wouldn't.
I don't like that side.
Why?
I feel like it has much more work compared to
Oh, so like who control you?
yeah.
But then what if you do your own channel? Mpho Nephawe, ravana muvenda. Radhudzanga buvenda hashu.
I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that, honestly.
And then also, do you plan to branch into zvimwe zvithu zvine like it's along those lines zvazvinyakuita mara it's like okay ndikams ndikotoshuma toamba ngazvo like you know people talk about anything man they're like we've but whenever vakushuma as the engineer the podcast all of a sudden like okay guys this is what
we used to
engineering
do.
does then
I feel
yourself
like I've always wanted to do TikTok. You know those TikToks explaining about how I went through this, how I went in, what's happening. Because a lot of people ask me a lot of questions, honestly, about how do I get into this?
Yeah.
How is that going to work for me and everything else like
so
that.
there's people that want to do this
There's still a lot of people. And I feel like I haven't...
tapped into the right market.
We don't, no. Honestly, we don't give out...
I feel so dumb now. Yeah, but yeah, you say
we don't give out a lot of right responses to those people because we don't know 100% about it, honestly. There's a lot more to just what you guys see. And yeah, it's a lot.
I mean, as long as you keep giving us the content, man. A lot here
What
will
if I
keep.
stop soon?
Now people are made to rock all that goodies as written. One goodies a bibo. And then all of a sudden I'm rengera
You
bibo.
stop, yeah. I've seen a lot of people, no, let's just collaborate. Let's just do this and that. And yeah, but it's hard. You're better.
And then also, yeah, I know. And I love the way you're answering. You make it more interesting. And then so I want to go into the thing where, okay, now you've done all this thing. It's nice. I mean, what enjoy. And then from there,
Rico, are you including yourself?
and the subscribe. Mara, I want to send you to send it live.
Okay.
You will
Let's
send.
go on. Please ask the next
Oh, please, you
question.
come into the sender. Oh, guys, be me in your life, man. So now when you're sorry, we've
Yeah.
seen like articles that talk about what in the porn industry will say, oh, okay, they were in the porn industry now. What each other videos that was take down and all that. And I mean, but no man had the regret. So aren't you gonna have that thing also in the near future? You know, like actually, why did I do this? Say you've gotten money, because I'm sure a lot of people want to they were cost that trauma. Then now you have the money, you're able to afford anything you want without asking for a man.
Honestly, with how my mindset runs, I don't think I'd ever have a regret of doing something. There's probably a lot of things we've done out there, and just like, but it was for a good cause at some point. Yeah. As much as there's people, I won't say they go killing people, but
Yeah.
at the end of the day, right now you see them in higher places, and you're like, this person used to do this, and this is what's happening. What about
Just like the one you slept with, why KFC 1000? No, guys, I'm still with you.
Yeah, don't attract such negativity.
No, I'm not gonna do that to
Don't do
myself.
that,
Yeah.
yeah.
I still have to see all the content that people are bringing out there.
Yeah, you see, that's
Just-
very wise. So I don't think I'd ever regret anything.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah, my personality doesn't allow me to regret.
And then if I know this is a wrong one, man, Mara, it's a question that has to go out there. Like, if someone after the advice about all these things that you want to do, you advise them to do it.
I always tell people not to go through this thing with how they feel at a certain moment, honestly. Because how you feel at a certain moment doesn't really matter in the future, honestly. There's a lot of things that you sit down and think, if I do this right now, maybe in 2 weeks, it's not going to matter. But with this thing, you'll go on social media and it's still going to matter. You'll go after 5 years and you'll post just a mere picture of you relaxed with your family and it will still matter. So you just need to meet a person that really understand what you've been through and you've been honest with. So don't do it because you want money. Yeah. Do it because you enjoy doing it.
But then you did it for the money. But then, yeah, I understand you giving advice to him to storm.
Yeah, I didn't do it for the money.
You did it for the rent.
I did it for right then. It was a situation of I need it, but it wasn't really. I need money very fast.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't that, honestly. But yeah, I enjoyed.
Hey, guys.
I enjoyed standing in front of the camera and say, "Ooh, I look," because I stand in the mirror a lot of times and say, "Ooh, girl, is this you?" Yes, so I do that a lot. And even when I'm walking by and someone says, "Oh, you look nice," I'm like, okay, thank you. But in my heart, I'm saying, "Oof, I looked at myself in the mirror in the morning, and I'm proud of what God did and my parents did."
Hey, God do.
Sometimes-
Enepa. God do Enepa.
Sometimes I just throw in, and my parents did this. Yeah, my mother always posts like pictures or videos on statuses, and like, "Ooh, this is me, guys." I'm like, "You did that, my girl. You did that." So either way.
Yeah. So in closing, favorite position?
I don't have a favorite position.
Yeah, the one that you prefer most. You know, you're like, okay, with this one I can.
I prefer looking at someone.
Oh, so what's it called?
Missionary.
Oh, okay. And then lingerie or naked?
Doing what?
Whatever you do, how do you prefer doing it?
I prefer nudity all the way. There's someone that always says, "You don't like dressing up," and I'm like, every time, honestly, every time when I go out and
Do you
come
sleep
back
naked?
to my, listen, every time I go out and come back to my house, my washing machine is just at the door. When I get inside the house, the first thing that I do, I strip off. and throw my clothes inside the washing machine and just go.
So even you know go skabule
Honestly.
and then you just walk around your clothes, I mean.
I'm very scared sometimes because my window is just by somewhere where probably a person can see what's happening.
Man, forget the people.
But I'm like,
yeah, exactly.
I love nudity. And I remember when I used to stay with my ex, the first thing that I did, nudity.
So was he getting it every day? Was he getting it every day?
No. I feel like when relationships go on, you don't get to that point.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but when it starts, there's that pace of, oof, let's do something.
And then also, did you do a BBL, man? Your ass is huge.
You never asked that question.
Yeah,
and I was expecting that. I expected that question at some point, and I'm so glad you
thank God for my brain,
But
bruh.
why did your brain go there?
Yeah. Hey, my brain is so smart, bruh. Did you do a BBL? But it's all natural.
What I'm going to say is, when I go to Nigeria, what they made me do is the lipo, because I had that.
Lipo, do you mean? Do you visa nama?
Yeah, the belly.
Oh, visa mkava.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should take that guy, man.
If I show you my old pictures and videos, I didn't have a belly, belly. My thingy was more over, you can still go to gym, but when I got there, we didn't have time for me to go to gym, that process, and take all the time to do all that bullshit. So they're like, just go for a lipo. And then lipo, what did they do? They just added fat, just
on your palms. You want to show me the process of the lipo?
I'll show you when I'm sitting, because it shows when I'm sitting.
Oh, sit down. Oh, we are wearing a lingerie. Camera ko bona kwini.
So
why are you young if you don't stop chat? So people shouldn't stop when they're doing it. Oh, sorry, man.
So it's just this part.
Yeah.
Generally. So that was it.
You were saying?
What was I saying?
Yo, wait, I think we end up
So that was it.
As long as you guys said it, I'm all about the content. You're all about listening. So yeah, something like that. Let's show the people the thing.
So I wouldn't say it's a big.
Let's show people, they will judge if it's BBL or not.
They know my body how.
Let's show them now.
Like really?
Guys, I want you guys to judge. Is it dress? Oh yeah, wait, is it feminine waist, thin waist? No, remember, for them to see, you must look, no man, you must look there.
Like how?
Ange, uribabone. Yeah. Oh, so okay, so it's not BBL, that's the answer. Bodo panga hapanon. Bodo visa hapanon.
They still call it BBL.
Okay, she's done a BBL.
I had FedS either way.
Guys, we're coming at you live from Panda Studios. We take Panda pages, you know. Like, yeah, man. So are you going for other works, maybe Vanita's too? Or you feel like...
I don't think I need to be fixed. Even the first thing that they did, it was just for me to get to work at the end of the day, because they didn't want whatever fat that I had.
No. You didn't give us the rate, man. Sit down, let's talk.
And what?
The rates, like if I'm talking about that too. Black Friday is coming very soon. November is just around the corner.
What rates?
What
rates?
I don't know. Like, do people come and say, okay, this is what I have? Are you coming through?
No, people can only go to my OnlyFans. That's it for now.
Okay. Yeah, so if I'm trying to go down to text I wanted to the special what.
They've been saying, but I don't want.
So you don't do that, no? Yeah, guys, man, I think it's I'm hard. Done here. You guys, well, what do you mean it's hard?
Because people want
the conversation.
No, like people want that, but they can't get it.
Oh. Yeah. At least I got it, guys. Like no one or so that's something for me. You can rate me now. I'm out there now. So hey, anything you wanna say before we close, man? She need to go with this, and like people should know about this thing, man. They need to know about this.
They must book me when I'm done with my DJ lessons, and they must.
Nah, man, with DJ they're gonna book you through me. Okay, if I can DJ with you, receive a duo, I'll be your manager.
So you want to be my manager? Hectic.
Is it wrong for me?
Not wrong. Nice. Not wrong.
I can manage everything though.
So you think you can get me like proper gigs?
Yeah, man.
Like
I think I have less work to do. The body's gonna do some of the things.
So that's you.
Hey, in the
saying,
business,
I don't
that's
have
how
to do
business is
much.
run. Yeah, you don't have to do much.
Now I'm gonna be.
Don't be
this
cocky
other
about
lady.
it, or don't be pussy about it. Not cocky.
I'm gonna be this other lady that.
Nah, I don't think she's good now.
Yeah, compared to the first time she
Yeah,
started.
I'm glad now she's
I wanna
good.
start like her actually, because you
Yeah,
get more
lush.
recognition
Show
when you
people
do
the ass and
when
all
you
that.
do bullshit, and then start twerking, and shake your ass somewhere.
Yeah, so guys, I don't have anything to say. I'm sure but those go
They must
hey, why you
subscribe.
paid? I mean, do subscribe. How do people get hold of you? What are you OnlyFans about? I mean,
So the easiest thing they can ever do is just go on my Instagram, click the link on my bio, both of my Instagrams.
I don't know the second one. Man.
Instagram
You must
is
text me on that
basically-
So I see. Oh, no, you know.
So Instagram is _MPHO_N_, and you can just search for Mpho Nephawe and you'll find me. What else? I don't like Twitter. And then on TikTok, you can do Venda Melanin. What else? On my OnlyFans, if you're lazy to go to the other platforms, you just go on OnlyFans and search for Venda Melanin, without a dot, without any space. Venda Melanin.
Venda Melanin, guys. That's it.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Venda Melanin. Still Venda. And very
Yeah,
dark.
very much Venda. Power to the Venda people. I'm doing this for the culture, guys. I know, right?
That's what I said before I came to the podcast. But
But you're gonna do
anyway,
it for the culture, G?
Yeah.
Thanks. I am glad I'm part of your culture, man. Thanks for coming through, man.
Thank you.
Yo, guys, we're not gonna shikapa. Thanks a lot, Kabe. I mean, do subscribe here also. I mean, Nena subscribe, and they will see what you guys like the most, to nudity or content,
Wow.
something like that. And
You
then
know
we come
what
in.
they like already. You know what they like already.
Yeah, very well, I know, eh? And then we come at you live. We come at you live from Panda Studios near Diva, and then they offer you studios, and then and then they give you like the quality. Look at the quality that we gave you guys. I mean, then this is the first OnlyFans episode. Near called never clean. Go proper. You saw the ass and all that. I mean, so if you wanna book them, contact them on 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com. And then also just to prepare for your life, and I mean, so this is resume George, and I mean, you never know, you don't know what could happen. She did say she can't plan like life or a mature date, I mean, because anything can just happen. So when we are ready for all that for you guys, it's MR21, our big sponsor. I mean, they're doing it for you, they're doing it for the culture also. Like, man, this is us, man, and they're doing it for us, so it's for the culture. So now when you're the funeral plans and all that, do contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252, and then they will let you know of everything. www.mr21.co.za. You're gonna subscribe. You're gonna na subscribe, and then it's much easier. It's all about subscriptions.
Yeah.
But now, when you subscribe into their plans and all that, and then they'll give you all the things that they can do. They do quality stuff, man. Just that I mentioned at the funerals about, but they recently did one now, and people have been sending to me, and then I appreciate you guys. So now associate branded are sure, oh, they're doing this. You saw them from us. So if there isn't anything from you, we're gonna close, right? You want us to close?
Yeah, I think we're good.
Yeah, we're good to go there. She has to come back. Bye, guys.